Morning! Today we're going to be doing some decking. We've already started 2 days ago digging a load of shrubs out over there. Fantastic, look. Load of trees to get out of the way. And then scraping out grass off and what have you. And we've been digging some holes. I'll quickly show you and then we'll crack on. So these are holes, these are pretty deep ones here because the ground was softer, so we've just dug it deeper. We've got 3, 6, 9, 12 holes. So we've dug a bit deep. Some are, they're a lot different from others that needs cleaning out. These ones aren't that deep because the ground's pretty solid here. I think that brush dries all land out and it makes it hard. So it feels pretty solid there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a deck in all the way across here, and then it's going to have a big like a shed pub thing, sort of a bar thing. It's 20 by 10 is the bar. I think it comes to somewhere here, and then a metre decking in front of that. It's well out of level, so that's the highest point, and then we'll have to build some pillars up at back to take it. So idea is concrete these flat. Well, we'll see how far we go. We might need a brick on them, and then we'll work us way back there, which we're going to have big pillars up at that end for it to sit on. Right, let's crack on. So this is our first hole. We're just gonna this is just gonna have concrete in. I just got to give this flexi trowel look. It's an old one. You can't use it for plastering. Plaster at other jobs just giving me it to try out. Says it's all right for concrete and that though, but I need to get one of these for plastering. Look, they're pretty good. Look, see it flexing them. When they're plastering as well, when they finish with this, all they do is they just he doesn't use any water with it, so he'll put first coat on, second coat on with hard stainless, and then he'll use this to finish off. No water, just straight over it, and it makes it shine like crazy, flat as out. And he says he can't live without them now, so he just buys them in all the time when they wear out. But yeah, pretty cool. I'll have to get one. So I'll just flatten this one out. We're just going to go level with soil. You got another shovel full for me in here, Josh? Just one more will do it, I think. No, two. Two. 2 or 3, I think.
I can see that then.
Yeah, there's not much on these holes. Probably about, we're going to put about 6-inch concrete in, and then what we'll do is we'll build rest up then with some blocks, some old blocks we've got at top. Is he a little levelling van? So I'm going to sit these pretty much joist straight onto these pads at back, and that's pretty good. Just take it down a little at that end. Yep, that'll do.
Yep, no really good job of mixing that one, Josh.
Bit dry. Yeah, just another F in that. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Get trowel.
This one for them. Just going in here, all right, yeah? You have to throw it in here.
You what? Yeah, bang it in there, mate.
Yeah.
We haven't brought a mixer today, we're just using a little one. I'm just digging that corner out a bit more, Josh. Got these pads in. Just filling these up. Yeah, that'll do. Right, it's next day. It's been a bit wet, you know what it's like. Red up one day, crap another. But we've got all these concreted in. I've got some damp proof there. Whether I put it on the top of the pillars before I put the timbers on, that's what I'm thinking. Just do it like that, or I can bed it in. But then I don't want my pillar to be weak, so I'm probably just going to lay it on top. Tim's just getting a mix on. Yeah, in a minute, and then I'm just using old blocks, what they've got over there. You know where we are, don't you? Can you remember this that we built? This big garage, and then we came back, we put one outside. There, look. So we're here. Yeah, it's cementing truck, mate. So I've got my laser set up. I've sort of favoured this laser as well, this UPA one. This is my favourite one, definitely, because this is the one that I use all the time. So set that up, and then I think, where are we? There. So we've got about 100 mil, I guess, to go on these, and then obviously down there it's going to be a really big pillar down there. Right, let's crack on. Right, I've just stuck a line on down here, and then we'll wick it in. So I'll just line to that. That line ain't level, so we're going to use the laser to get them level. Shovel up. So looking at probably a course of bricks and a block on there.
We're going 3 bricks.
How long we got this? Yeah, I'll do it 3 brick wide. Yeah. So you cut one at 320.
Block at 320.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut a block.
Yeah.
320.
320.
Oh my god, what is that?
Been a while since I laid one. Close to that grass. Like riding a bike, laying bricks in it. Where's my little level? Level and all, bloody hell, eh? We've still got it, Tim, I've still got it.
Still got it.
Let me just check this, make sure we've got a... Big bed that though, big bed. How wide are them blocks?
They're that wide.
300 mil? Yeah. Oh, pushing it down to the line here, and I'm not going to the line, am I? Alright.
Set up a bit,
I know, I pushed it down like an idiot. I thought I was going to confuse the line. I'm going to the line, but I'm not.
But not down to the line.
Leveling it to the line. So I'm running this line because we're gonna going out, we're going to put some decking outside, so it needs to be perfect, so it can take decking on the side of it. Try that.
You don't want to down, but it is.
Yeah, straight that.
Yeah,
good. So this is the last one, and it's raining like usual. So I don't have to level this, I've just strunk lining, so I know I'm good. I could do a leveling it that way though. So I'll just level it this way. And that's it. I think we're going to leave it at that now because it's chucking it down. We'll let these set, and wood's coming Friday, so whether we do it Monday or whatever, come back when wood's here. See you in a bit. We're back. It's a lovely day today. We just levelled that bit out, that pillar's lot, and then this is the highest point here. What we're going to do now is we're going to put a weed membrane down, just stop weeds coming through. Then we'll crack on with decking, because all decking boards and everything are here, so let's crack on. So that's it, that's weed barrier down. We just put some pegs. They're not what the pegs that you buy, they're just some, well, whatever they are, little hooks. Oh, that we can put down, tent pegs or whatever, I don't know. Or you can buy proper stuff, but we're just using what we've got. This is what when we built that, we had a big roll of this for the big soak away. I think that's what this is. It's been that it stored a couple of years. Right, let's have a look at these decking then. Right, I think we need a big one along back. These are 6x2s, these. Just grab that end, Josh. Walk across to Tim. So that should go somewhere there. Pick bent one, haven't we? What's it like? I'm pressing down and there's no movement. That's bang on, isn't it? No, press it, it's not moving, is it? No, it's good. Ah, snail. Right, we'll do edges first. We'll work out from there. There we go. So we've got these in where we sort of want them, then we just need to go cut these. I was sort of squared it up, so I measured 3, then down there somewhere 4, and then it's 5 that way to give us those triangles. But we'd already set them out on pillars, so we're near enough. And what we'll do is we're going to put deck down, get it all done, and then if we do need to square it up again from where we're knocking it about, we'll square it up at end, and then we're going to have to strap it somehow to each pillar so it don't move. Right, let's crack on again. Right, I've put us marks on already, so we're just ready to roll. Let's get it done. So we're ready for deck to go on now. We've got all those brackets on, and yeah, we're done. We're on pillar, we're all level. We've just checked diagonals, make sure we're squared again because we've been bashing it about. So we've just pulled it about a bit because it had knocked it, got it nice and square. Put some little brackets on as well on corners. These are what we cut off here because we just grinded these off so it gives us some little angles, and then we're probably gonna use some of them there straights later on when we've got time, like, and we'll drill them to these so it's all fixed. But we'll get deck on first. Little bit to you, just a tad. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah. So we're having it this way up, this way. This is where the way the customer wants it. So this is where it's going down. So we're just dipping all cut ends in as well as we're doing it. Because when we cut, sometimes it doesn't penetrate all the way through. This is a clear stuff, so it won't show. And then we'll put cut edge to outside, Josh. So flip that around, and then that should be square on you. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's first row.
3 Plus rewards activate for £3 saving tickets. 3 with a big network. 1 ticket per week, 3 mobile customers only. Tickets Friday to Sunday. Terms apply. See credit.co.uk/3 Plus.
So that's pretty much it. He's going to do some groundworks, his customer here. I don't know whether that might be getting flags and stuff around, so we're just going to leave it at that. But that's what we've done. We've boxed it all in. Same on the other side as well. And that's it. That's the big deck. Have a quick look right on the side as well. And that's the other side. And then this is going to be filled in, levelled out, and then I think he's having some pebbles or something right down back. So that is it for this one. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment, and yeah, it's been a nice job outside in the sun. I think we're going to go back to the big job next week, and who knows what we'll be doing there. We'll check it out. Plasters have been in, I think plumbers been in, so we'll have a look around and see what we can do. Right, see you later.